Hi, Generals, and welcome to Mrs. Dale's Greenback Night. Today, we're going to be talking about the things that you need to know about me. So, the first thing that I posted was my schedule. So, I mainly do sixth grade. So, here is the A day schedule, and then down here is the B day schedule. So when we continue, these are the classes that I teach. I teach ELAR Level 2 first period, Recent second period, ELAR Level 1 third period, ELAR Level 2 fourth period, ELAR Level 1 fifth period, Recents for sixth grade, seventh grade reading, and then eighth period is my conference. How do you access my Zoom links? You're going to go to Google Classroom, you're going to click on Classwork, you're going to go to Find the Topic, Resources, and then there is a Zoom link for our class. You're going to use the Zoom link to get into class, to get into tutoring, and if you have any questions. If you would like to contact me, my phone number is 210-356-3559. My email is jdale@neisd.net. If you have any questions at any time, please contact me and I will be happy to help you. Thank you for coming, and I hope you have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.